Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a restock of my fridge and pantry after my grocery trip. I also went to TJ Maxx. It's right next door to my local grocery store. And I found these really cute baskets to store my fruits and veggies in, any of my produce.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
I realized that after I did it, I probably should not have soaked my mushrooms, but I was able to save them. I just patted them with a towel, and I ended up using it for dinner that same night anyway, so it wasn't that big of a deal.
Standing in a blurry dream, no one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. So let us dance this night away.
I have this sticky stuff at the bottom of my fridge. I have no idea what spilt down there. I was able to get it up after scrubbing forever. Dawn seemed to work really well, so I was amazed about that. I couldn't get the other side though because the drawer wouldn't come out, so I'll save that for another day, because I did not feel like pulling the fridge away from the wall in order to get it out.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be, but they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid.
I like to soak my produce in distilled vinegar and water. It's what works for me. I like to do this when I get straight home from the grocery store. It allows me to just grab what I need when it's time to cook or prep food, or just give my baby boy a snack.
I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I will tell them what I'm feeling forevermore. I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure, no matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid.
As you can see, I have a lot of milk in my fridge. We do go through a lot of milk because I use milk for a lot of stuff. I like milk in my oatmeal instead of water. I do smoothies. My fiance likes to eat big bowls of cereal, so we just go through a lot of milk. We also drink non-dairy milk. I do not do cow's milk, but the most of like milk that I consume would be in like processed foods or cheese. I love cheese. My son also has a cup of milk every day. I bring it with me when I go pick him up from daycare because he will have a fit if he doesn't have his milk and his banana. That's the first thing he asks me whenever I pick him up.
Take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time.
I live in a teeny duplex that was originally a trailer that they just split in half, so there's like two units in one trailer. We do not have much like space for storing food, but this cabinet and the one above the microwave is for like our seasonings and any packaged food or canned food, and also we store stuff on top of the fridge. The cabinet on the bottom next to the stove is where I keep all of my countertop appliances. So I have an Instant Pot down there. I have an air fryer. I have my single Ninja blender for smoothies. And I also have a juicer.
The things you can't forgive, didn't know how to live, cause I didn't love myself. Wish I could turn back time, go back and do things right, give you a wedding ring, give you my everything, and be there by your side, share a life and have a child. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time. Thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to a maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Been thinking about you lately, I'm hanging on to a maybe. I still miss you every day. You were the one who got away. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time, I wanna spend some time with you. Don't wanna take it slow, just wanna let you know, ready to spend some time with you. I wanna spend some time, needed some time to grow.
In this drawer, I keep all of my son's stuff that he uses to eat with and drink out of. So all his cups and plates and utensils are in.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in trances, going
This is my go-to favorite snack right now. I have it probably twice a day, sometime in the afternoon and then before I go to bed. And it's just yogurt, non-dairy yogurt, cashews, and any fruit that I feel like putting in. I don't really like this one all too much. It's not my favorite. I like the Siggy's brand better. It's thicker and richer and has more flavor. That is why I add maple syrup to this one.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe.
Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Comment down below your favorite go-to snack. And I hope you like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye, guys.